Are you a business analyst aspirant and are applying for jobs? Then I have some tips for you regarding your resume. Be with me for a few minutes as take you through these tips. My name is Rachel and this video is brought to you by Techcanvass, a premier IIBA and PMI Endorsed education provider offering PMP, ECBA, CCBA, and CBAP preparation courses. Let me get started. I am going to share 6 tips with you today. Tip number 1. There should be no spelling or grammar mistakes in your resume. It's possibly the biggest put-off for an employer. Just think about it, from an employer perspective. If you can't write your resume correctly, how are you expected to do your job correctly? You can use a free tool like Grammarly.com to check the spellings and grammar. Tip number 2. Never try to put information which is incorrect or made up. This is a serious mistake and must be avoided at all costs. The interviewer can easily figure that out, and that will cost you your job. However, it is fine and recommended to present your skills in a language which makes it look elegant and useful. Let's take an example of your daily activity. You create a report by taking a dump of data from the system and send it to the business head daily. How about presenting this as helping stakeholders draw insights by sending them a well-compiled report on a daily basis? You can feel the difference, right? So, you use this massaging for your resume too. Can you do it yourself? If not, you can take help from a professional. Tip number 3. Most employers look at your LinkedIn profile, so you should update your profile on LinkedIn and ensure that it matches your uploaded resume. Tip number 4. Minimize the personal information in your resume. Employers are not interested in knowing your hobbies. Tip number 5. This is related to the previous tip. How many pages should your resume have? We have come across resumes which are 5 to 6 pages long. These are pretty long and not advisable. We feel that the ideal size of a resume is 3 pages. One of the ways to reduce the number of pages is to minimize the personal and irrelevant information, as discussed previously. Now the last tip. Use a good resume template. Put the most relevant information on page number 1. Because most of the employers shortlist a resume by looking at page number 1 only. For example, your key skills, matching the job description, should be on the first page. So should be your experience and the project summary with your role and responsibilities. These were a few tips to help you make your resume more professional looking. A professional and well-made resume will make your job search quicker and more efficient. My name is Rachel. Hope you found this video useful. See you soon with more videos like this.